Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get custom ringtones on your Android phone. So we can go to the top right, go to settings right here, scroll on down to where it says sound and vibrations. Choose this. We can go on down to the bottom and we can go to ringtones. Now you can choose one of these ringtones on here, otherwise go to my sounds. And if you have anything downloaded on your phone, the ringtone should show up here. You can just select it. Otherwise, you can go to the plus icon, and you can find a ringtone on your phone. If you downloaded it, you can go to audio. Maybe you have it on here somewhere. I use this application. If I go to the Google Play Store, it's not called TikTok. It's called Zedge. So let's go to search. Type in Zedge. Go to search. Get this one with the blue and the D. Zedge wallpapers and ringtones. Open this up. Now this is free. If you get any ads, go to the cross, exit out of there. Then you might get like an ad or something. You can close it down, open it back up, and we can go back to the home screen. We're not going to use this whole lot, so I mean, if we get an ad, close it down, open back up. Oh well. And a lot of times those are annoying. But let's go to search, and then think of a song you want to hear. Let's do Imagine Dragons. There we go. Find it. Then we got ringtones. We got about 3,000 ringtones. And then we got demons. Let's go to demons. I like that song. And then we want to go to download. So we can go to save to media file if we want to download it to our phone and use it somewhere else. But it makes it easy. You can just go to set as ringtone. Now if you go to set as ringtone, this is going to set the ringtone for everyone who calls. If you go to set as contacts ringtone, you can personalize this to the individual calling. So maybe your mother, your father, your kids, your nephew or something like that, they can be Imagine Dragon demon when they call. So you can have a custom sound for each person calling. So you can just set it up with the application right there, and it makes it super easy. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.